YouTube, how y'all doing? Your boy, not your average hybrid, back with another video. And today is the day, guys. You feel me? Long awaited. I've been waiting for this since September 1st. It is now, I think, December 13th. So, it's a very long wait, guys. But today, you feel me? We are getting tuned by Uprev. Finally got a tune for me. The first M35H tuned, you feel me? First hybrid tuned. So, we about to see, guys, you feel me? Today is the day, you feel me? We ready to see, but you feel me? Start them on out. Nice little quiet little day. You know. But yeah, guys, you feel me? Today is the day. Let's get a few revs out to sport mode, you know. Get the last few revs out before I, get the tune. You hear it. So yeah, guys, here we go. On my way to my tuner now, but yeah, guys, like I was saying, first M35H tune. That's why it probably took so long. Usually it takes 4 to 8 weeks, but it took a few months, so. Yeah, guys, you feel me? Let me know down in the comments if you know anything about the Infinity hybrids getting tuned. I really couldn't find anything, especially not on the M35H. So it should be exciting. I'm gonna put one for the M's in general, and you feel me, the hybrid gang. So you already know, guys. So, I'm definitely gonna need some test pipes soon, so that's definitely coming next. So definitely stay tuned for that. So drop a like for me right now. If you ain't subscribed to the channel, you feel me? Subscribe to the channel right now. Thank you. Support don't cost a thing, you feel me? I'm trying to get to these 1,000 subs, so I can start getting paid for making y'all this banger content. Just imagine, I start getting paid. Oh, the content is gonna go through the roof. I'm trying to tell you. But yeah, guys, definitely stay tuned to the channel, to the build. There's a lot of big things coming, especially performance-wise. So definitely drop a like for me right now. Well, guys, Uprev, you got some splaining to do. Okay, so long story short, I pull up, you feel me? My tuner got everything ready to go. Got his laptop, he plug in. Everything seems like it's working fine. But as he's doing the process, he gets an error code. Wanna know why? Because Uprev sent the unfinished file. Like, they said the file wasn't even supposed to be released yet. But they sent it to me telling me, oh yeah, your file's ready for download. So the whole time the file wasn't even really complete. I guess it had errors and all that other stuff. So that's what caused it to fail. It failed, which resulted in my ECU getting bricked, guys. Yes, my ECU is now bricked thanks to you, Uprev. Did wrong. You feel me? I thought I could put some trust in you guys. Did wrong. But now they making saying, oh, yeah, we're not ever gonna support the hybrids anymore. I bet you never could. You should have let me know that from September 1st. That's crazy. I've waited this many months for you guys just to brick my car. So now my engine won't start. So it just runs on battery, which I can't do that. So what Uprev wants me to do is take out my ECU and ship it to them so they can work on it. I guess flash it back to stock, because after I send it to them, they still can't get me tuned. Like, it's garbage, guys. Garbage. So I don't know. My experience with Uprev is not good. So they want me to send that out to them. Tell me they're gonna overnight it back, but they tell me that's gonna take a week. So a week without me having my car, I gotta work and all of that. So what y'all expect me to do? So yeah, guys, I don't know. I'm high key blown, cause now what am I gonna do? Like, you feel me? I gotta wait a week because y'all messed up. Like, y'all should have just kept it real from the jump, saying, oh no, we can't support it. Just be real. Don't say, oh, we can support it, but whole time you don't have knowledge, or you can't support it anyway. Like, I don't know, guys. Just a little rant. So right now the hybrid is down for a week or two. I get my ECU flash back to stock. So no tune for me, guys. No tune for the hybrid. I guess it just won't ever happen. So went from a good video to a bad video. Thought I was getting tuned, but I guess it's not supported. That's the one thing about being rare, guys. So that's it for this video. Till next time, whenever I get this ECU back. Gone, guys.